Look up at the night sky. There are billions of galaxies and trillions of planets. So where is everybody? There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Many of those stars have planets. Some of those planets are in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, where liquid water can exist. Mathematically, the universe should be full of life. Not just simple bacteria, but intelligent civilizations building spaceships and sending signals. So the big question is, where are they? This question is so famous that it has a name, the Fermi Paradox. In 1950, the great physicist Enrico Fermi was having lunch with some colleagues. They were talking about flying saucers and aliens. Fermi suddenly asked a simple question that still puzzles scientists today. If the universe is so big and so old, and life should be common, then why haven't we found any evidence of aliens? This is not just a fun thought experiment. It is one of the biggest mysteries in science. Because according to our best calculations, we should have already been visited by aliens, or at least detected their signals. But we have found nothing, just silence. So what could be the answer? Are we truly alone in this vast universe? Or are there other explanations that are even more surprising? In this video, we will explore the Fermi Paradox in the simplest way possible. No complicated math, just clear ideas and easy examples. By the end, you might look at the stars with completely new eyes. So if the universe should be full of aliens, why haven't we found them? Scientists have come up with many possible answers. Let's look at some of the most important ones in a simple way. One popular idea is called the Great Filter. Imagine civilization is like climbing a very tall mountain. Most civilizations start climbing, but almost all of them get stuck or fall at some dangerous point, the Great Filter. This filter could be many things: nuclear war, climate change and environmental destruction, dangerous artificial intelligence, or something we haven't even thought of yet. The scary question is this great filter behind us, meaning we have already survived the most dangerous stage? Or is it still in front of us, waiting in our future? If the filter is still in front, that could explain why we don't see other civilizations. They all destroyed themselves before reaching the stars. Another idea is the rare Earth hypothesis. Maybe intelligent life is not common at all. It might require an extremely rare combination of perfect conditions: a stable star, a planet with liquid water, a large moon to stabilize the tilt of the planet, the right amount of protection from asteroids, and many other lucky factors. If this is true, then we might be one of the very few, or even the only, intelligent civilizations in the entire galaxy. There are also more mysterious explanations. What if aliens are out there, but they are deliberately hiding from us? Or what if they are so advanced that we cannot even recognize their technology? Just like an ant cannot understand a smartphone. The silence of the universe might not mean emptiness. It might mean something much more interesting, or much more frightening. So, if the Great Filter and rare Earth ideas don't fully satisfy us, there are some even more interesting explanations. One popular theory is called the zoo hypothesis. It suggests that advanced aliens do exist, but they are intentionally keeping us in a kind of cosmic zoo. They know we are here, but they have decided not to contact us yet. Just like we watch animals in a zoo without interfering too much, they might be observing us until we reach a certain level of maturity. Another dark and scary idea is the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe is like a dark forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter with a gun. If you make any noise, like sending radio signals, you might reveal your location to someone who could destroy you. So, the safest thing is to stay completely silent. That could explain why we hear nothing. Everyone is hiding. There is also the possibility that we are truly alone, or at least the only intelligent civilization in our galaxy right now. Life might start easily, but becoming intelligent and building technology might be an incredibly rare accident. All these ideas lead us to one big, uncomfortable truth. The silence of the universe is not just empty space, it is a mirror. It forces us to ask difficult questions about ourselves. Are we going to survive our own technological adolescence? Will we become a civilization that lasts for thousands of years, or will we become another dead end in the cosmic forest? The Fermi Paradox is not just about finding aliens, it's about understanding our own future. So, after exploring all these possibilities, here is the most important takeaway. The Fermi Paradox is not just a question about aliens, it is a question about us. The silence of the universe is loud. It tells us that becoming a long-lasting spacefaring civilization might be extremely difficult. It suggests that many civilizations may rise, only to fall before they can reach the stars. But this silence can also be seen as a gift. It means that right now, in this vast cosmos, our story is still ours to write. We are not following someone else's footsteps. We have the rare chance to become one of the very few, or perhaps the first civilizations that makes it through the great filter. Whether we are alone or not, the responsibility is the same. To take care of our planet, to use our technology wisely, to become the kind of civilization that deserves to exist among the stars. The universe is quiet for now, but maybe one day, if we survive long enough and become wise enough, the silence will be broken, not by them finding us, but by us finally stepping into the cosmic forest as a mature civilization. Until that day comes, the Fermi Paradox reminds us of something beautiful and urgent. We are the only intelligent life we know of, and that makes every choice we make today incredibly important. Either way, our future is in our hands. If this video made you think differently about our place in the universe, tell me in the comments, do you think we are alone, or is the silence hiding something? And if you enjoy these simple yet deep science stories that make you look at the world differently, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching. Keep looking up and keep thinking. See you in the next video.